So, hi everyone, and as promised in the morning transform session, that we are coming with a series of programs to keep you on your goal, to keep you focused for your NEET PG exam, right? So, this is an announcement for the various things that DAMS is going to do for all our students, right? To ensure that we are on track, we are revising, we are testing, we are finding out our mistakes, and we are learning how to improve, right? So the first big thing that is going to come up for all of you are the DVT based tests. So as I mentioned in the morning, the DVT based entire test series is going to be free for everyone, right? All you need to do is get onto the app, right? Go to the test series section, and in the test series you would see a separate column for DVT based test. All the tests will be free for all the students, and we are going to cover all 19 subjects. These tests are going to come with explanations, right? And we are going to start with surgery, right? So this is the schedule. We will also share the schedule on our Telegram channel, right, and on Instagram, so that everyone is aware and you can revise according to the schedules, right? So we are starting with surgery on 1st of June. That will be followed with medicine and obs and gynae. So our goal is to cover the major subjects first, so that we ensure that the third and the fourth year subjects, which are relatively more important in NEET PG as compared to INI-SET, the number of questions is more from these subjects, we would be covering them first, and we have kept the volatile and the short subjects towards the end, right? So this is the schedule for the upcoming DVT based tests. As I said, everyone can access the test from the test series section of the eMedicoz app, right? What do we have next? So the next is going to be free national NEET PG based mock test. So this mock test will be available in the test series section under the column of mock tests, right? The test will be live for only 2 days, the 5th of June and the 6th of June. So you have to ensure that you are able to give the test in this time slot. Now, followed by this test, we will have a live discussion of this test on YouTube channel, right, which will happen on the 7th of June. So on the 7th of June, you will have a discussion of the entire test paper, which is the mock test paper, on DAMS Daily YouTube channel, and this is going to start at 5 p.m. in the evening, right? So you are going to give your test on the 5th and 6th, and on the 7th you will have the discussion of the entire mock test paper on DAMS Daily YouTube channel. Do not forget to log in at 5 p.m. for the discussion. Okay, so again, just a reminder, both these things, the DVT based test as well as the free national NEET PG mock test, will be available in the test series section. You will see two separate columns, one for DVT based test and one for the mock tests, right? In the mock test, there are many other mock tests that are available, but at the top you will see the free NEET PG mock, and yes, anybody can appear for the test. Okay. Then we have the mega NEET PG marathon revision, and because of the tremendous response that we got from the INI-CET marathon series, there was a request to do this marathon over a longer period of time. So this time we would be doing the NEET PG marathon revision on 2 days, right? So it will be 9th of June and 10th of June, and we will be starting at 11 a.m. in the morning, to ensure that our students are able to revise with the faculty the key points top-notch content, and hopefully, yes, we are able to get a good hit rate in the exam as well. But the purpose is actually to ensure that students, when they get very, very anxious, they need an anchor, a support system, so that the entire day is just not gone by thinking of the results and getting stressed about it. It is important that we push through in this final phase. And yes, it is absolutely a journey where it's not just you students, it is us as faculty also who are responsible to ensure that you are able to give your best, right? So these are the three major events that are happening. So let me recall the things for all of you. So the first, as I mentioned, was the DVT based tests that will be live from 1st. The test will be live according to the schedule, right? So on 1st of June, we are starting with these tests, and the first test would be surgery, okay? Followed by a free national mock test, which is going to be live on the eMedicos app on 5th and 6th of June. And then it will be followed with a discussion of the entire test paper on YouTube channel on the 7th of June. Right. NEET PG Marathon, the much awaited event to ensure that our final lap is, really the one which gets us accelerated towards the finish line, right? So the marathon sessions will be happening on 9th June and 10th June. We will be starting at 11 a.m. So all you need to know is you have to get ready, and the entire DAMS is going to be with you. We are going to try and support you as much as we can, because, as much as you want to do well, even we want you to do very, very well. So here's wishing everybody good luck, best wishes, and yes, we are going to have your back. Let's do it together, right? So मेहनत करेंगे, और जैसे हम हमेशा कहते हैं, अपना टाइम अपन खुद लाएगा.